So friends, now I am going to explain multiplication of 3-digit numbers. It is the somewhat difficult, but we can do the very fastly in the speed maths or Vedic maths. So it is the very good methods to solve these problems. So here I will explain the 3-4 methods here. So you can follow the any one method according to your problems and situations. So now I will take a small example here. That is the 205 and 902, like this. It is the so in this, if you observe here, the units place and tens place we have the very small numbers. So these tables we know easily. So when you know these two tables like this, you can follow this method. So in this case here you should take the one line after two digits like this. Now so it means it is the 05 means become the 5, 02 means become the 2. So now take the 05 into 02, it's become the 10. Yes, means 5 to the 10. Take the two digits in the every multiplication here. So 05 02 means 5 to the become the 10. Take the two digits become the 10. So now take the cross multiplication here. So means 2 into 02, 9 into 05, 2 into 2, 9 into 5, 2 2 is 4 and 9 5 is 45. 45 plus 4 become the 49. Take the two digits, don't take any carries here, that is become the 49. Now take the 9 and 2, 9 2 is 18. So there is answer here 184910. This is the our answer. The same way take the one more example. So I will take that 215 and 602. So now see here, this case 15 and 2 is here. So you know the 15 table, so you can do the answer easily. Same way, so here also we have to divide them like this. This is the 15 and 2 is here. 15 2 is 30. So take the 30 here, take the two digits, don't take any carries. Now take the cross multiplication. So 2 2 is 4 we know easily, and 15 6 is 90 we can know easily. So 6 15 is 90, 2 2 is 4 means become the 90 plus 4 become the 94, and then 6 and 2, 6 2 is 12. This is the answer. So you can solve very easily. The same way I will take the one more example to understand easily. So that is 412 into 311. So we know the 11 table and 12 table easily, so we can solve the method. Same way divide them as the two digits and one digit. So you need to take the slash for every time, so we can do simply here. So first of all see here, 12 into 11, 12 into 11 become the 132. Means I already told that take the two digits here, therefore take the 132 means I'll check once again here. 12 into 11 means how much here? 132. Take the 32 here, take the one carry. So now, so 11 4 is 44 and 12 3 is 36. 44 and 11 4 is 44 and 3 12 is 36. How much here? So 0 carry 1. So 80 plus 1 81. Take the two digits means take the 81 STs. Now 4 3 is 12 STs. So this is the answer 128132. This is the method when you have the tables are known in the unit place and tens place like this. So we have go for the method 2. So when you have the numbers in 90s, so I will give the an example. This is the method 1. So this is the method 2. That is what? So when you have the numbers in 90s, For example, I will take the one here. So 598, so and 899. So basically we don't know the tables 98 and 99, so we have to convert them into the simple numbers. For that purpose, I will take here, I can write the 598 is the 600 minus 2, that means 600. I will take the minus 2 like this. The same way, the 600 and minus 2 means here. So now here I will take the 899 means I will take the 900 minus means 900 minus 1 means we get the 90 minus 1 like this. So now we have to solve these numbers here. The same way, now apply the first method here. What happened here? I will take the slash after the two digits like this. So now multiply the two numbers here. This is the minus 2, 0 minus 2, this become the 0 minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1 become the, minus 2 into minus 1 become the plus 2. Therefore take the 0, 2. I told that take the two digits here. Now take the cross multiplication here. So 6 into minus 1, that is become the minus 6. Don't forget the signs. 9 2 ja 18 become the minus 18. So now how much here we get here? 6 plus 8, 14, carry 1 become the minus 24. Minus 24 we can't write in the answer. That's why we have to remove from the 100. Therefore 100 minus 24 become the 76. Okay, now take the two digits here. 9 into 6, 54, and 6 is 54, but here already we have taken the 100. Therefore take the one less than the answer. Therefore 9 into 6 is become the 54. 54 minus 1, because I taken the 100 as a carry here. Therefore 9 6 is 54 minus 1, 53. This is the answer. Same way I'll take the one more example here, that is 692 and 496. We are multiply the numbers. So we don't know here the 96 table or 92 table. So we have to convert them into the simple numbers like this. This become the 700 minus 8. We can write. You can write that this one is the 500 minus 4, sir. 500 minus 4. So now take that 8 4 ja 32 become the plus already, because minus into minus we can plus here. Never forget about the signs, so please be careful here. Minus 8 minus 4 become the plus 32. Now take the cross multiplication here. 7 4 ja 28, 5 8 ja 40, means become the plus 5 minus 8 minus 40 plus 7 minus 4 minus 28 become 68. 68 minus 68 we cannot write in the answer. That's why we have to remove 68 from the 100. So it's become the 100 minus 68 means again 32 only. Now take the last digits here, 7 and 5. 7 5 is 35, but you have taken the already 100, so that's why you have to take the one less. 35 minus 1 become the 34. 3 4 3 2 3 2 is the answer. If you want, you can check with the calculator. So now take the one more example here to understanding purpose. So that is 798 minus 396. So we can write the 798 as 800 minus 2. You can write the 396 as the 400 minus 4. Now take that, you have to again take the divide into the two digits and one digits. So now take the minus 4 and minus 2 become the plus 8. Take the 08, take the two digits only. 8 means take the 0, because we have to take the only two digits every time. So now take the cross multiplication here. 8 4 ja minus 24. Now 4 2 ja 8 minus 8 become how much here? Sorry, this is 32. 8 4 ja 32 and 4 2 ja minus 8. It become the minus 40. Minus 40 we can write in the answer. That's why we do take the minus from 100. Therefore 100 minus 40 become the 60. Now 8 4 ja 32 means here we have taken the 100 already, therefore take the one less, become the 31. 316008 is the answer. This is the second method. So when you have the numbers more than 90s, we can take this method. Otherwise, if you get the small numbers, you can take for the method 1. So we have the one more method is there. There is the we can apply for the any number. It is very simply. I will explain now. So in this method, we have to remember the pattern here. That is the line, cross, star, cross, line. So it is the very simple trick here. Example, I will take a number that is 2 1 3 into 440. So here, so we'll take this method for the any type of numbers. There is a big number, small numbers, any numbers. So here, first of all, take the line means take the only one digit like this. Cross means take the 2 digits. Star means take the 3 digits. Now cross means take the 2 digits. Now line means take the last 2 digits like this. And we have to increase from 1 digits, 2 digits, 3 digits. Again we have decrease 2 digits and 1 digit. So here first of all take the line means 0 into 3, it become the 0 only. I will take the single digits here. So now take the star, sorry, cross means here take the 2 digits here. So therefore 0 into 1 0, 4 3 is 12, 0 plus 12 becomes the 12 only, take the 2 carries the 1. Now take the 3 digits. First of all we have to multiply the corners, then these numbers. So now 2 into 0 0 only, 4 3 is 12, 0 plus 12 12 only, 4 1 4 1 is 4, 12 plus 4 become the 16. 16 plus 1 is we have the carry here, become the 17. 7 then carry 1. Now take the again we have the cross here, therefore take the 2 digits means we have to remove this 2, we have to multiply the only 2 1 and 4 4. Now 4 2 is 8, 4 1 is 4, 8 plus 4 become the 16, sorry 12, 12 plus 1 become the 13, 3 carry 1. So now last digits here, 4 2 is 8 plus 1, so here the become the 9. So 93720, this is the answer. So now I will take the one more example, that is the 319 and 754. So simply here you have to take the first of all line means take the 2 digits here, 9 4 is 36, the 6 carry is 3. So now multiply the star, star means take the 2 digits here, that's why 9 5 is 45 plus 4 1 is 4, 45 plus 4 49, 49 plus 3 52, therefore 2 carries the 5. Now take the star here, star means take the all 3 digits, that's why first of all multiply the edges, then go for the middle numbers. 3 4 is 12, 7 9 is 63 and 5 1 is 5, it becomes the 10 carry 1 8, 80 plus 5 85, 5 carry should be 8 again. So now take the again cross, that's take the 2 digits here, 3 5 is 15 plus 7 1 is 7, so it becomes much 12 carry 1 22, 22 plus 8 becomes 30, 0 carry is 3. Now 7 3 is 21, 21 plus 3 24, that's why 24052 6. So we will see the one more example, that is 6 5 2 into 7 1 3. simply here. So take that 3 2 ja 6. So now take the again star means take the 2 digits here. So 5 3 ja 15 and 2 1 ja 2. 15 plus 2 become the 17. It is 7 carry 1. Now take the 3 digits here. Now 6 3 ja 18, 7 2 ja 14 and 5 1 ja 5. It become 37 plus 1 is here, become 38. Take the 8 carry is 3. Now take the 2 digits here. Now 6 1 is 6 and 7 5 is 35. 35 plus 6 become the 41. 41 plus 3 become the 44. 4 carry is 4. Now 7 6 means 42. 42 plus 4 become the 46. This is the answer. You can do this answer within the one line with in a few seconds. You can do it very fastly in these methods. So according to your situation, you can go for the any method by the problems. Thank you.